Hello and welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will be comparing two popular air fryers to help you make an informed choice. On the left side, we have the Chefman TurboFry Touch Air Fryer, and on the right side, we have the Instant Pot Vortex. Let's get started. When it comes to price, the Chefman TurboFry Touch Air Fryer is priced at $119, while the Instant Pot Vortex is priced at $59. If you're on a budget, the Instant Pot Vortex offers great value for money. Both air fryers deliver crispy results with minimal oil. The Chefman TurboFry Touch Air Fryer offers 4 one-touch preset cooking functions, making it easier to cook popular dishes. On the other hand, the Instant Pot Vortex's even crisp technology ensures a perfect golden finish and tender results every time. If temperature control is important to you, the Chefman TurboFry Touch Air Fryer has a cooking temperature range of 200 to 400 degrees F, allowing you to create the perfect dish. The Instant Pot Vortex offers a temperature range of 120 to 400 degrees F, which is ideal for a variety of recipes. When it comes to cleaning, both air fryers make it easy for you. The Chefman TurboFry Touch Air Fryer has a removable dishwasher-safe basket and cooking tray. Similarly, the Instant Pot Vortex comes with a non-stick, dishwasher-safe air fry basket and tray. If you have a large family or often cook for a group of people, the Chefman TurboFry Touch Air Fryer's 8-quart capacity is perfect for you. On the other hand, the Instant Pot Vortex is designed for 1 to 2 servings, making it compact and countertop-friendly. So there you have it. We've compared the Chefman TurboFry Touch Air Fryer and the Instant Pot Vortex in various categories. Both air fryers have their own unique features and advantages, so it ultimately depends on your needs and preferences. Don't forget to like this video, comment below with your thoughts, and subscribe to our channel for more helpful product comparisons. Thank you for watching.